folks, this is California Zephyr train number 6. Really? Alright. P-42 138 has a fouled one. I don't want to hear a fouled K5LA today. Aluminum. What is this thing doing? He turned on his ditch lights, but he ain't moving. I don't know why he's not moving. Oh. Here. See if he'll give us a shave and a haircut. Here. I'm waiting for him to start moving. I got away from the engineer. And there it is, the ALC-42 number 312. Look at that, folks. Look at that damage on number 14. Heading to Chicago Union Station. Nice. ALC-42s are finally off.